Hello, this is Neha Sulikar from Goa. I'm designated as State Mission Manager for FI and FM. So, in the state of Goa, we have actually the SAGs are doing the bank linkages and all, but it is not been streamlined properly. The FI vertical, so it hasn't been streamlined. So due to which I have come here to acquire lots of knowledge. When I came to know about this training, I was like thrilled and happy that I could get lots of knowledge about it and same I'll replicate it in the state of Goa. So after coming here, thanks to Abhishek sir, Shefali ma'am, lots of financial knowledge and lots of vertical into it. So it is actually a vast subject, like bank linkages, insurance is there. So apart from this 5 indicators also, there are like sub indicators also which you also have to focus on, like recently community funds and how to develop that in the state and lots. And even the plus point was we went for exposure visit, and it says like rather than theoretical knowledge also useful, but practical gives you more knowledge than the theoretical. So we saw the bank circuit concept, we saw the BC circuit concept, then some of the enterprises, how they took the CIF loan from the SHGs and how it is beneficial here. And we got thanks to sir obviously for the wonderful training, and we came to know lots about the BC dual authentication, then bank linkage, then insurance. So what are the insurances? So after that, financial literacy camps, then whom to contact and how to be, how to streamline it. After gaining all this, after taking up the session, I have come up with some strategies which I'm gonna obviously apply in the state of Goa. And right now the progress is just 10%, and within 6 months, I'm assuring that we're gonna proceed to 90% at least. So thank you so much for this session, so thank you a lot.
Okay, thank you, Sneha. And also, do you want that this type of training will be continued for the other stakeholders also, for the bankers and also SRLM staff?
Yes, sir, obviously. Yes, obviously this training is must and it is required for each and every FI person, not even FI, it is for good for the livelihood, because the enterprise finance also comes into picture. So they also play a very crucial role here in the FI. And bankers, I would say, sensitization of bankers training is also required, and which same I'm gonna apply in the state of Goa, or I'm gonna call them here. So that is, thank you so much sir for telling about that, because bankers are the main key person, because until they are not sensitized, we won't able to go ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sneha.
Thank you.